Hey bookies, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Zariah Nabiye, and I'm going to attempt, heavy on the attempt, to do some type of week of my life or something. The last video I posted was my college advice, so I'll go run that up. Link might be in the description. Links will be in the description. Go ahead and view that if you haven't already. But right now, the time is now 1:46. I just got out of my class, and now I'm at Walmart. It's getting hot. Today is 70 degrees, and I have 2 pairs of shorts. 2, literally. So I'm going to go in here to try to find some shorts. My other shorts I like are from Walmart. Walmart be looking your girl up. So just enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and we're gonna try to get into this video. I'm going to Walmart right now, and later I do have to work, and I do have a school event. Y'all might see clips of that, y'all might not. I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna try to record as much as I can because I want to get back active. I feel like my videos have been like weeks apart, and that's not cool. Consistency is key. Consistency is key. So yeah, we about to go to Walmart to get some stuff, and I also have a list of some other stuff that I need to get myself. So I will see y'all in Wally World.
So malignant, I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you.
I'll see you well, come through and chill. Drops like you will, come through and chill. Just say you will. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me the truth. Pick up the phone, show me the truth. Pick up the phone, show me the truth. Pick up the phone.
Well, hey guys, so time is down 5:18 and I'm leaving work now. I'm about to go to my apartment to, it's hot in here. I'm about to go to my apartment to change because I have an event for my club at 7, but I have to be there at 6:30. So I'm about to run to my place to change. And something more comfortable. Work, how was work? Boring, it's like nah. Work wasn't that boring today. We actually had an event in my job today also. It was like a book signing for this book. whatever. So the Arthurs were there, and we had food and stuff in there. But that food was like crackers and cheese, and I need some chicken nuggets or something. So I think I'm gonna run in Wendy's after I change. Just give me some food. But I really don't want Wendy's. I don't know what I want. I don't want Wendy's, but I don't want some money either. And I can get Wendy's on my meal card. Not too sure on what I'm gonna eat, but yeah. Currently about to go to my apartment and like that. And yeah. Where my car felt like it. So yeah. Go to my apartment to change. Then I have a work event. Well, a club event at 7 till 9. Wow, I'm gonna do that for that. So yeah. So and if you wonder what I'm looking at my reverse camera. Ooh, what's this thing? So I got something else done. Sorry guys, it's like so painful. It is. So I'm about to go into my apartment and change my clothes. I want to wear leggings, but it's pretty toasty out here. So I don't know if leggings are a good idea. Might put on some shorts. Some shorts and a shirt. So I'm currently at a faculty versus student dodgeball game. I was about to say volleyball. Wanna be in my vlog? I'm not playing, I'm not losing. But I'm about to record y'all what's going on. I'll show y'all what's going on. I'll flip the camera. Students, wow, Caesar, you're gonna be in my video. You look crazy. Why? Not the side out. I wanted to be in a video as a person. Bye. Vlog, if you not saw, I am back home and I just got out of the shower. Dodgeball was cool. I did play one round and I was the last person and I lost, but it was fun. I just got out the shower and I shaved my legs and my fresh razors, smooth like a baby bottom. But right now I'm about to just get ready for bed. I might do some homework, so y'all might see clips of that. If not, I will see y'all in the morning. Hello. How are? I'm currently in the bed. I'm about to go to bed. The time is like 11. I'm not sure what time it is, but it's time for me to go to bed. I have class in the morning. So this is the end of today's portion of the video. Today is Tuesday, and I will see y'all in the morning. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. The time is now 10:21, and I'm about to head to my class today. Today is pretty basic. I have 2 classes, one at 11 and then one at 3:30, and then I work in between from 12 to 3. So that is what's going on today. I don't know how much I'm gonna pick up the camera, but I did want to come and say hello, good morning, and whenever you're watching this, I hope you're having a great day, night, whatever. And yeah, I'll see you whenever I just pick up the camera again.
The next day.
Good morning, bookies. The time right now is 10:47 and it is Thursday. I am leaving my boyfriend's house because he lives closer to my nail shop. And I'm about to go get my nails and my toes done. He's paying for my nails to get done, and I'm just gonna pay for my toes because we had a deal that if I bought him WWE, he would pay for me to get my toes and my nails done. So yeah, I'm going there now. We're supposed to go on like a little date on later today. We're supposed to go on a date or whatever, like lunch or something. Nothing spectacular, just like me and him going out to grab something because today's his day off and he wants to chill, but I want to do something. So we're going to lunch later, and after I get on my nails, I'm going to head back and shower, and I'm going to probably wear a sundress because it's 74 already and it's only 10 o'clock. So I'm going to shower and stuff, and yeah, that's today. Yesterday I didn't really record much. Yesterday I didn't really do much besides go to class and work, and then I did pack and hit the road to come here for the weekend. It's longer than the weekend because it's technically longer than the weekend due to the fact that I came here on a Wednesday because my Thursday class got canceled, and then my Friday class is done for the semester. So I don't have any I don't have any Friday classes anymore. And today my class was canceled. So I was like, you know what, why not hit the road instead of staying in Radford and being bored? But yeah, so I'm headed to my nail appointment. I kind of want to go to Starbucks to get some coffee, but I don't know if I want to spend that money because my drink is like $8 for just the drink. That's not even a sandwich. That's literally just the ice white mocha I get. So I don't know. I kind of feel like once I sit in a shop, I'm gonna be sleepy and bored. But I'm feeling good right now. I woke up in a good mood. Last night, me and my boyfriend, we KO'd like I don't even know what time I ended up going to sleep. I just remember waking up at 4 a.m. and he was knocked. And his phone had fell behind the bed. And I'm like, babe, get your phone. He's looking at me like, huh, sleep. I don't even know what time we went to sleep. Like, we were just sleeping. But nail shop just opened at 10. It's 10:50. I try to give some time because I know my nail tech is not always there right when they open. So I try to give like some time before I came. Because she's the only person that's touching my nails. I'm sorry. We can maybe negotiate on the toes, but nails, she's the only one touching them. And if they say she's not here today, well, I'm just getting my toes painted. Because I don't like people experiment on my fingers. And she know how I like them. She know how I like my shape and stuff. Like, I don't got time for y'all to be experimenting. But what is Starbucks giving? Oh, it's giving up Starbucks. I'm gonna stop by Starbucks. Yeah. I don't like how it's no. Oh my goodness. Where you going? Okay, you don't know where you're going. Why would you do that? You look at me and you wait to turn right when I turn. That's like, it gave you very much you wanted to hit me. That's what it gave. It gave you trying to hit me. But I'm gonna let you slide. Starbucks that has no lines, so maybe that's Jesus. That's what we gonna say. That's what they say. That's what they say. But yeah, I do have a different Starbucks drink from the last time y'all seen me at Starbucks. Last time I got like a complicated long drawn out drink, but this time it's just simple, kind of. It's simpler. I'll show y'all my order and then I'll talk to y'all later after I order my stuff. Please don't mind my edges. I didn't do my hair yet. I literally just brushed my teeth, put on some deodorant, and throw some clothes. Might sound nasty, but I want to be fresh for my lunch date. I don't want to be fresh to go to the nail shop. It's synced. So, I mean, I need to go get much more face stuff. Hopefully we go by Walmart today because we have to get Stanton. If you do not know, I have 2 dogs. One lives with my mom and the other one is like me and my boyfriend's dog. One lives with my mom is like the family dog, and then me and my boyfriend have a dog. And Phantom keeps pooping on his bed, so we have to go get him in the bed today.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. My name is Phoebe. What can I get started for you?
Hello, can I have a grande ice white mocha with caramel in and out and vanilla sweet cold foam and caramel on top? I just want an iced white mocha. Well, yeah, I guess it's white chocolate.
Sorry, what was that?
Never mind. I've never seen it say white chocolate. That's why I was confused, but it should be the same. That's all.
Alright. Everything looks right for your screen?
Yes.
8:31.
Thank you. Okay, am I slow as hell or what? But usually when I get it, it just says iced white mocha. It doesn't say white chocolate. And that said white chocolate. I hope you take this.
In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. You've been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you did it.
Well, come through and chill. Drops like you will.
Hey guys. So I'm currently at the car wash with my boyfriend. He's washing my car. Wow, that's a bum. Vlogging. So I'm sitting in the trunk, looking pretty. While he's washing my car, I'll show you. Hi. It is days later. The last time I picked up the camera was Thursday. And I was at the car wash, getting my car washed. And let me tell y'all, after that, stuff kind of went left field, okay? My car was tripping yesterday. I haven't taken it to get looked at just yet. I am currently on my lunch break for work because I do work 2 jobs, and I worked last night. That's why I didn't really record, because there was nothing to record. I was at work. And then I'm at work right now, and I get off at 4. The time is now 1:23. But yeah, it has been a long few days. When I picked up the camera to start recording, it was Tuesday. Today is now Saturday, and with everything going on, I think I'm just gonna end this video here because it's too much going on. I don't know, I really do want to do a week. I've never completed a week vlog, but from editing, it's already knocking on 30 minutes, and it's only Saturday. So I'm contemplating on whether or not I want to end it here. But yeah, that was just a quick update. I've been working. I worked last night, and then I've been up today since 6 a.m. and I've been working today. If I do decide to continue recording, which I might, today I do plan on going to get my car looked at to get them to run it in the machine, well, the check engine machine, because my check engine light is on and it started tweaking last night. And I do drive back and forth to school, so I want to make sure, like, if I'm getting on this road, I need my car to be functioning for me to go 100, 120. It's like, I ain't going that fast, but I need my car to be functioning so I'm not stuck on the side of the road or anything. So after I get off, I think I'm going to go straight to like an auto zone to see if they can run my check engine light to see why it's on. And then after that, because I can't get it fixed today, most mechanics are closed, so I'll just get it looked at and see what might be wrong, so when the mechanics do open, they can take a look at it. And another thing I want to do today is where's he supposed to go? Another thing that I want to do today is clean out my closet. If you do not know, I not commute, but I go home on the weekends to work, and I currently I'm in my last 2 weeks of my sophomore year of college. Oh man, I'm growing up. But I'm in my last 2 weeks. I have next week and then the first week of May, and then I'm done. So I need to make sure my room at home is put together to where when I do come home in May, I could just put everything back. My closet at school is way bigger than my closet here, so I have to take that into consideration and make sure, like, right now, currently, there's still stuff in my closet at home that I don't wear. I haven't worn in the last 2 years that I've been in school. So I'm gonna go through and see if my mom might want some, or my sister, and if not, definitely going to the Goodwill, because it's just too much and it's taking up a lot of space, and I don't have that space not to just be wasted, and I could be using that space for clothes and shoes that I actually wear now. But I'm gonna try to do that today because it's pretty gloomy and raining. It's been raining on and off all day, and it's nothing else to do. My boyfriend, he's at work until 8 o'clock, and I'm gonna see him tomorrow. We usually spend Sunday evenings together, so y'all probably will see that if I continue recording and stuff like that. But I just picked up some Zaxby's. About to eat that in the parking lot at work and go back in and knock out these last 2 hours. Woo! I'm so ready to get off. Like, I'm tired. I cried yesterday. Like, I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. I cried yesterday so bad because if y'all know anything about me, I'm very independent and I don't like asking people for help. I like to do it on my own. Speaks why I have 2 jobs and I'm a full-time college student. Like, I'm very independent and I don't like depending on anybody. And my car started tweaking, and I'm just like thinking, like, Zariah, if something's wrong with your car, girl, you have to pay it. And right now I'm in like a growing stage in my life, I guess you could say. I'm going into my junior year of college as of August. I'm taking 2 summer classes this summer to get ahead. I'm working 2 jobs. I'm coaching cheer. Like, I'm just doing a lot right now, and for something like that to happen, if Lord forbid something like bad happens to my car, that's gonna set me back from the goals that I have planned and that I'm working towards. But you know, I did get emotional or whatever, and I talked to my boyfriend about it, and of course, like, he's willing to help me if I need help, but Soraya don't like help. I mean, it's not that I don't like it, I just like doing stuff for myself, so no one can ever throw nothing back up in my face. No one can ever say I did this or that for you. Like, I like doing it myself, so I know, like, Soraya, you did this, you worked for this, it's yours, you know. It might just be a me thing. If you can relate, you could comment and say you relate. But that's been the last few days. The beginning of this vlog is so good. I am kind of upset because I had some footage of me doing like a drive with me, and it will not save. So I don't think I want to include that in this vlog. Unfortunately, it was good footage. Like, I was jamming and chit-chatting, and I cannot get it to save for nothing. But yeah, that's like a quick update of what's been going on with me. I hope y'all are doing fine. I hope that y'all are living life to the lifest abilities. Like, I just hope that all my subscribers, you're fine. I have hit 41 subscribers. It's not a big milestone, but it's something. I've hit 41 subscribers, and one of my videos almost is at 100 views. So, woohoo, cheers to me. Small baby steps, and we just progressing to get better and better. But that's the update. So yeah, I don't know when I'll be picking up the camera again, but I'm about to park at work and eat before my lunch is over. So yeah, I will see y'all whenever I pick this camera up again. Peace. Hi, the time is around 5 o'clock. As y'all can see, I'm not too amused. I just went and bought a brand new battery for my car because my battery was dead. My car kept cutting off, leaving work, and something else is wrong with my car. I really don't know what. I think it's this piece, but it's Saturday and mechanics are not open on Saturdays. So right now, I'm thinking about leaving my car here this week, and possibly getting a ride to school and getting somebody to pick me up Thursday. Because I have to be at school right now. Like, it's project season, finals. I cannot afford to miss class. And Bingo's my emotional support animal right now, at least. But say hi. Say hi, buddy. He's not too amused with the camera, but right now, it's just a lot. Hey guys. So right now, I'm at Michael's. I had looked into getting my a jersey that has my graduation year on it. I looked into getting that framed, and girl, I'm not rich. It's not happening today. So yeah, I'm about to go to Walmart with my mom though to get hangers because I'm straightening up my closet and I need hangers. But yeah, that's the update. Hello. Long time no see. The last time I picked up the camera, I don't even remember, but I'm here. Let me show this. I'm here to close out this weekly vlog. This vlog has been all over the place. A lot has been on, but I'm gonna end this vlog off on a good note. I just had to do basically an innovation project because I'm a business major. And I did an innovation project here at my school, and it was a contest, and it was a cash prize, and my group won the cash prize. Yay! So we getting money. Check coming next week. Packing the mail. Let's go. I think I'm gonna insert the picture right here. We won. I'm proud of my group and my group members. The hard work definitely paid off, especially with everything that's been going on this week for me. I'm just grateful that the hard work paid off and that we actually won. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. It's your girl Ryan Abby A, and bye, bookies.